Welcome back, guys. Another video today. Today we got a nice care package from Evergood. It's a family-owned company. They do sausages. Now this one, I was pretty excited when they reached out. Let me tell you why. Now I love spicy hot dogs. That's my favorite, the spicy ones. I always prefer those over the regular ones. I always go, when I buy hot dogs, there's always a spicy one and the regular one for the kids. Now, there was a time when I had to look for which spicy hot dogs or sausages I like, because there's so many. So I had to start buying one brand or the other brand, till I finally found one. Well, I finally found one, and it was from these guys. They're spicy sausage that they sell at Walmart. Now, I've been using them for at least a year now. Every time we go to a barbecue and I bring hot dogs, I always make sure to bring those spicy. My family loves them. So when they reached out, I was like, oh yeah, I mean, I've used your guys' product. I love the spicy one. That's the one that I only buy. Well, they sent me some spicy ones, and they sent me this one to try out, the pineapple sausage. Now, I've never tried anything other than their spicy, so I'm very curious to see how all the other flavors, because they do have many other flavors. Today we're only going to concentrate on this one because I already know that the spicy one is delicious. Love it. And it is a little spicy, so if you don't like too spicy, maybe that's not for you. But if you're like me, that you do love the spiciness, the Evergood spicy sausage, oh, I'm telling you, those are top notch. So first of all, you're going to see is pineapple sausage. And you're looking at pineapple sausage. Now the question is, how does it taste? Tastes like pineapple? Does it have a hint of pineapple? We're about to find out today. We're not gonna use no rub. We're not gonna use anything on it. We're just gonna open this up and it's gonna go straight into the pit boss. What temperature we're gonna put our pit boss at? We're gonna put this bad boy at 300 degrees. How long is it gonna take? I don't know, because normally when I do my spicy, it's always on the grill. Normally, like I said, I just take it to whatever event that I'm going with my brothers or sisters, and I take that one, and we always use the grill. So anytime I do something on the pit boss, so far it's only been brats. So today, for the first time, I'm gonna do these sausages in there and do some hot dogs on them. So like I said, pit boss is going at 300 degrees. Don't know exactly how long it's gonna take, but we're gonna keep an eye on it. And that being said, let's fire up our pit boss. All right, so here you have it, 300 degrees. And here are sausage. We'll go ahead and put these bad boys on. Towards the left side. All right, we'll be back when they're ready. All right, guys, they are done. It's been exactly 30 minutes. Now how you can tell they're done, see how this one is trying to open? They're pretty much ready. Look at that. Oh, where are they going? Where are they going? Where are they going? All right, we'll be back. All right, guys, so here we have it. And before we get into this, let's have a quick recap of what we did today. All right, so here we have it. Now, these took 30 minutes. Now, just by looking at them, I know they were done, but a lot of you may not know what to look for. So, internal temp, if you have a meat thermometer, internal temp is 165. If you want to probe them until they're ready, then 165 is what you want to go for. All right, so here we have our bun, and we're gonna put this bad boy in there. And so we're just gonna go simple today and use some mustard and some ketchup. All right, so before we get the taste of the hot dog, we're gonna do a taste without anything on it, just the sausage alone. All right, let's go ahead and give it a cut. and see how it is. It smells good. Now this does have the skin. That's another plus for me, is when they have the skin on. That's a good sausage. All right, pineapple sausage from Evergood. All right, Evergood pineapple sausage. Let's try it out. It's not bad. Wow. No, it's not overpowering of the pineapple. It's a small hint of pineapple. It's very good. Now, pork always goes well with something a little sweet. So having the pineappleness of this in here, like the flavor is really good. Pretty amazed. I was hoping it would just have like a nice small hint of pineapple where you're like, oh, okay, this is pretty good. So as you keep eating it and chewing it, you start to get a little bit of hint of the pineapple. So that's very, very good. So far, I like it. Now, when you have all the bells and whistles on it, the whole condiments and everything, you know. Now, for you guys, when you have hot dog and you have a sausage dog like this, do you use the same condiments, or do you have something different for each, or you add something more on one and the other? Let me know in the comments what you guys do, if you guys do the same thing for hot dogs or sausages. Now let's give it a try with everything on it. That snap with the skin. I don't know if you guys can understand what I mean. It's very refreshing. I don't know. It has a good taste. Really good taste. I like that. Like I said, I like that hint of the pineapple. Very, very mild hint. It's not like overpowering or like, oh my God, I taste very little, or just enough where you can taste that pineapple. This is really good. I'm not gonna lie, this is really good. Did not expect it to be this good. Like I said, I use the spicy of their brand. The spicy one, oh, love the spicy one. This pineapple one is also really good. I said, I'm amazed how good it actually is. So this is something that you guys should actually try if you like that. You know, trying different flavors of hot dogs or sausages. This is something to go for. I know that brand, they sell it at Walmart, because that's where I buy the spicy ones from them. So I don't know if they have this, because like I said, I don't really look for other flavors. I just go straight to their spicy ones, and that's what I get. But this is something that I would definitely take, you know, for the kids. Like my son, he said that he wants one. So we're gonna go ahead and make him one after the video, so you can go ahead and eat one of these, and they're good. So make sure you guys hit that like, hit that subscribe. Let me know what you guys think about this. If you guys want to try it, what kind of sausages you guys like, all that good stuff. Leave it in the comments and to see what you guys like. Thank you for watching this video at the end, and I will see you guys next time.